Oh.
I want me nobody supposed to press live. I want nobody to come watch a first good girl go and listen. Nobody that come watch. Hello everybody. People. Everybody. Everybody, hello. Everybody out there. But I can't see. I can't see them comments. I feel like my phone. Last day, one minute, hello, everybody, hello. But we can't see them comments right there. Hello, people. The good girl there, the good girl there, the good girl there. Right there. Dirty Capper, why ain't up on the live? I'm just asking for the phone. Dirty Capper Stevie. People, the good girl first time on live. Yeah, good girl there. So where I say, people man right there, around there. So, Capper, come with your phone now. What time? They're on the live, and I'm never on the live, and I'm going to give a phone. Hi, guys. I don't know what I like about camera by myself for the Lord Jesus. Alright, calm down, good girl, calm down. Right, sir. Yeah, girl. What am I doing at the Abbi? What am I doing if I'm man? I don't if I'm man more alcohol, what am I drink? Right, true? Merci them comments, sir.
You're good then.
People man move. Oh, you know some people
Hello,
man.
mad people.
This is
Abbi. Like, subscribe. I want to tell somebody. She loves shake up her body. Go tell them what say no.
People remember like up the live stream. Cause good girl there for chat and good girl there for answer no question.
Yeah man, ask her all them things, no ask her long time. Abbi, where mash up?
Mash up my good dollar tree back.
Oh, bumbleclad. I can't use my channel or PG-13?
Yeah man, I can't cuss all the way from here that me do.
Up top.
People man move now. What the dirty boy? If we were good girl, I know I'm nice and so and dirty boy want eat your palm and so. But go on now. Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna move. Come here, food are cooking now.
Oh yeah.
Feed her.
People man a cook for me.
Is it?
People man a cook for me. Acha.
Yes, so.
When can say people man cook for me?
Hasta la vista.
Baby. Where is 7 is right here. My son this. My name save you. My son this. I'm my baby this. So people, what's up? One of our first good girl come on live. First good girl come on live. Cause everyone people them man there, you know, him just a follow my son. I said, no sir, I got to run left him. I have to run left the boy today. I'm say Sunday I got to run left him. And I did, that's why I'm there. So I'm watch out, him the back here. If the back here, the boy won't give me a break. The boy love me too much. Him not give me no break. Him gone. The people them man love me. What you? I remember like up the live stream people a good girl first time I company. So I'm not so no comments. I like the dance video for Spice and when your mama take me with it. But thank you. A long time video, you know, a long time video. When we used to look a bit in bed. Yeah, right there so now we get big and fat and can't move. The boy gone. I say the boy itch up on me. Everywhere good girl them just a itch so them come like ticks. Yeah, but me no mind when I'm there so than somebody else. Yeah, girl. I can't find my clean out teeth like someone gone with it. But no bad. Good girl get fat and stay but I can't move. I come like a snail. Good girl come like a snail. Right true? Right there so. Hey, I be a lesson no comments, you know, so if I take long for reply, I be a lesson no comments. Cause remember good girl first time Panda Live, you know, good girl first time for Abbi's Madness also. Yeah, girl, yeah. When the video them are forward, when good girl make a video. I mean, I actually don't make a look of video, you know, for you know, but you know, good girl say no, it's too late for post, so come good girl say, she got to come live for you know. I forget my people them live. I saw come good girl jump on live and there so. Yeah, girl. Better so, girl. Yeah, guys. So come chat with good girl. When I want to ask good girl, come on, want to fast and mix up and so, you know. Yeah. I can't tell you when no prank a job. Yeah, I kept it on the live, so I can't tell you nothing. Dirty couple. Remember, like up the live, guys. No, man, the first time I come back, I need to come on live more often for Abby's Madness. No, man, don't talk to me. If I don't want to come live often for Abby's Madness, don't talk to me. Because I get used to the camera and I'll be by myself on the live and so I get used to it. People man I go vex, you know. People man I go vex. Yeah, right. Keep on your phone, I can't see the comments. Guys, I can't see the comments. Keep on let me have phone. How this? Yeah, we don't want to come on live often though. Yeah, good girl gonna do it often. I want to get set a date. I don't want to come on live every Sunday because you do that, you know. Me do that. I don't want to come every Sunday because I don't really have nothing about that full my belly on Sunday. I don't want to come. If I don't want to come, say yeah, girl. If I don't want to come on live every Sunday, say yeah, girl right now, yeah, girl. Me I look for the yeah, girl them. I don't want to come on live. I know I can't say yeah, girl. I want to say yeah, girl. Right, sir. Yeah! Keeping up with all that. Kimberly, yeah, girl. Yeah, right, so live Sunday it is. Every Sunday, good girl, I go try to come on live phone. No? Yeah, right, true. So, I vex. People man vex. Yeah, true. What people man start like. Yeah, I'm just want each up on every minute like text. Sometimes I have to brace them off, man. And every time I want people man palm me. Not true. True. Where you go? Yeah, see that I tell you that. The boy I love me, the boy just can't stay far from me. I know I'm nice and so, So get up here. People man.
My phone again?
Yeah. You know what, I see them coming now, but maybe I have to keep it in here. Watch out, the body, but tell us everybody. People man just won't leave me alone. Imagine him there at the same place with me. And that
food pepper, Abbi? Food pepper?
No, sir.
Yeah, guys, me a cook and thing, you know?
Yeah, but cook for me.
But the food kind of pepper now, so Abbi I go like it.
Sorry.
Abbi can't manage pepper, guys.
Why am I ask in the comments? So, guys, more answer some of the questions. Because I post and ask, you know, Q&A on Instagram, but, you know, I never get to it. I don't know. People are going on YouTube, are going so aware, like you have to be careful of the things that you post. Afraid of YouTube bad. Yeah, people man vex.
Where you cook capo?
Where you cook capo?
You know, so some stewed chicken still, you know?
Yes.
Fry and cook down.
Yes, stewed chicken and white rice.
White rice.
I want to tell you the story. The story I go upload in the vlog. I post tomorrow for Abby's Madness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today is my birthday.
How that?
Courtney and Spalding.
Happy birthday, goodie. Is a goodie that? A girl named Courtney and Happy birthday, goodie. Yeah, how much today? You legal? Talk from now, you know, because I know I say nothing we're too big at you. Oh my, alright. I kept out for about 7 years or so. I saw people, man. 7 years, yeah.
7
years.
Yeah, man.
Hey, guys. What else? Why am I not answering the comments? Why am I answering the comments?
Why you say?
Why you say that comment past me? Why I say too young to be my mom? I'm just 24.
Just 24?
Just 24. I'm just 24. I ain't got no kid. The only people I have a save. When you got a baby, people may not run them baby not wearing. Baby not wearing. When some big and broke and hungry and paparazzi and everything, why am I for bring a baby into this world? Why am I for bring a child into this paparazzi world? I would never do this. I would never do something like that. First time on your life. It's the first time I'm actually going live on Abby's Madness. So yeah. Good girl boss answer. Cause normally people I'm afraid to go on live by myself, you know. Yeah, I don't know something wrong with me. I'm telling some fool. What kind of fool, you know? So you have to see with me. But no good girl get look courage answer. Yeah, girl. Yeah, so that's some of there, so. Kappa just left school. Yeah, guys, so ask up some questions, because I don't know good girl there for answer them. How did Sever got his name? I mean, I just think about, you know, I want to Sever look at me, and so, yes, I just think about the month when him come in and say, you know, I just call him Sever, because everybody else did put name on him. I say, not my son! And I saw come him get him name. I barely see the comments them. You start act like me. I love people start act like me that Jesus can't believe for me because people them not you know some people some too ghetto and song but I just me. I'm not tell me I'm gonna change. I love the behavior. I'm not gonna change. I love it. You know something about it, my love. Something about it, my love. What is my dream job? My dream job. At this time, I don't know, yeah, man. I have too much dream job. Yeah. Can't talk right now. I have too much. What is this? What's your favorite type of dog? I don't have no favorite type of dog, guys, but I'm grateful for look save. I love every dog. Once I grow with them, you know. Because once I don't grow with the dog, them, I'm afraid of them. I don't like dog overall, but you know, once I go around them, and so, yeah, them alright. This the comments them move so fast, Jesus Christ. Yeah, good girl job, yeah. So people mama telling this. You see when time come, if you don't want to start a YouTube channel and so, don't just come and be on yourself because when you be yourself, you know, you're the funny thing. You see when you come on this and be yourself, the people them start judge you. When you pretend to be somebody else, them judge you. So might as well you be yourself. You don't wrong me, no talk truth. Talk truth. Them come and say good girl extra bad. But I just good girl this and good girl will never change. Because I only love good girl and only love good girl realness. You don't get what I say? I not say the comments them. Something Kepa give you that you'll keep forever. I want Kepa ever give me keep forever. I want don't have him art. Yeah, people man sometimes. Him never say what him can't even give me a break. Everywhere good girl go him went. No sir. Yeah girl. Hey, them comments I move fast because I'm barely so one attacks there. What it? Keep away phone there. Cause some of them comments are fly. Some people come ask me the questions, them now boy, you know, that's how I come back. What's a good girl? No girl, I can't hide the belly, hide the belly. No girl, I can't do that, you hide that. We are show your belly for you hide that. No, I'm phone now. Look how much they so big got in front of owner now, sir. Talk truth. How it is? Can I get a shout out? D cousins, big up on yourself. People barely answer the comments them. Them a fly fast on the phone and I come off of the screen. The dog, my son name is Seven. But you know, two good girl have to put a little spin on him. I call him Sevu. I'm my son. Watch your people, man, I come back.
Alright.
My favorite color is pink and black. Even though them say black as shade, but I still color though.
Somebody asked my favorite movie.
What I do yes, so? No, what really I do yes, so?
Now go be the voice of the people right now. So guys, if you not hear me, are you hearing me? Clap is behind the mic.
Hey, people man, they everywhere here, man.
So guys, drop on a question them so we can ask her. You see?
Jay and them, big up on yourself. No sir, everywhere we go, people man, I know I'm nice. But people man, we can't get a break now. Talk truth, people man, today is Sunday. Give me a little break now. No sir. We get just too nice. What I say? You not even tell me the comments. Well, on people, I not see the comment. See the comment disappear on the screen. I not see on my end. I say something about favorite YouTuber. What them say?
Yeah, why favorite YouTuber and why?
Me am my favorite YouTuber and why? Because of me. I love me. I'm my favorite YouTuber.
Somebody asks your favorite type of movie and why?
My favorite, I love action. I love people just love certain movie overall.
Favorite genre, come on.
Genre comedy.
Christmas.
Yeah, but love me alone, man. Don't take care of people, man. Him just eat your palm saw.
Now gone away. Yeah, guys, love Christmas movie.
Sure. Everywhere I go, him go.
Because they hide the belly. I don't know what I'm going to say.
Because hide the belly. Oh, that's sure. You know what they hide it. Look a girl, be able to save no man. Look a girl. Sure.
Daniel Brown says, I'd rather start a good girl.
I lie. You're not that much. Right, that's so. Yeah, girl. Right, that's so.
Make up on yourself, people on the live. Guys, please leave a like on the live. Yeah?
Yeah, guys, remember, like up the live stream, watch out the Bacala Lake. This a move fast, keep up. Watch it. Who for name that person their name? I see them text 2 times already.
What them name?
Something about shout out, but it gone fast.
Courtney. Courtney and Pauline, they call her, get shout out already. Oh, she give me sister shout out. She name DJ.
Which app you use for edit your intro? And you guys, I use iMovie. iMovie for edit videos. iMovie, but it only work with Apple. Can't get it for Android, but a good Android app is InShot. That can use for both Apple and Android. Yeah, keep the comments them gone, I can't see. Give me a phone now. I say people might even them there, so I'm not giving phone, guys. I cannot see no comments because they might disappear.
One boy said, big up yourself, is it?
Big up on yourself, big up on yourself.
Somebody said, do you have a celebrity crush?
Me have a celebrity crush.
You want to know this now?
My celebrity crush, I will call it Rotomi. But that's strict for Rotomi. Rotomi A. Right there, so.
Guys, because of your page, I never go see nothing. Let me should do our thing.
Rotomi have a buzz. Rotomi buzzing. 7. There you go. I can't see a comment. Watch it, you dog, give me the phone, Kepo. People, Kepo, bad man.
You must say hi and then sitting there.
Hi guys, for all who could just comment, like up the live stream for me now, please. Like up the live, cause good girl first time on live. So I have to like up the live. Yeah, good girl first time. Hey, only there so with me, history now, making no history now. Jesus, that Jesus, only making history with me. Right this so. I will say right this so, Antoinette, I'm just say. Evening.
Alright, somebody said, oh, teacher for the makeup. So good.
Who teach me for the makeup? I watch YouTube. I'm gonna take a look at tips from my sister.
Okay.
Image Queen, yes, yeah, they right there so. Who that? Robert Mills, right there so.
Rosemary Morgan, say, when did you start YouTube?
I want to start YouTube. We started YouTube in
2017.
2017. Yeah, I found where I come from, people. Guess what? I was still like, what I was supposed to get. Like, Jesus, I can't say that, no. But you know, patience. Patience. Can I get a shout? Who that? Queen? What's the name, God?
Yeah, guys, like up the live.
Yeah, guys, you come here, I'm telling you something. A good girl first time this I go on live and up at Abbi's mad this. Una create history with good girl. No talk truth. Una creating history right there so. Right there so una creating history. No, una have to like up the live. Una create history with me. Like up the live. Right there so.
Why your favorite song, Abbi?
One favorite. Keep on love me. What you do that so?
In the meantime, they're not asking questions.
Oh, they ask all the question them because the people them are just there so.
So what's your favorite song?
My favorite song?
Yes. Right now.
Right now, my favorite song with they call Chanel me around the man with him.
Progress.
Yeah, and then Da Vinci one come second.
Simple attack now, you know.
People love me alone and dirty boy. What you doing here? People man won't leave me alone. Jesus, as a good girl go right over there so people man come. No.
Give me a fun memory about high school.
Which one you see that? Fun memory about high school? I don't know fun memory me have in high school. Backside. Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. What that Courtney and Spalding? Big up yourself. Can you give my sister? What's her name, guys? What is sister name?
DJ the body.
DJ the body. You sure of that?
That body, yeah.
I kept on calling him again, but what call it?
Deja. The body.
Alright, big up yourself. Keep on calling him. So if you pronounce it wrong, Seven, what you doing? No, sir. Seven coming like a dog, you know.
Antoinette Newman said, who is your favorite artist and why?
Boy, I may have enough artists. I not say enough
favorite artist.
I'm not a favorite artist. I love every artist.
Right,
I love enough artists. I love Cartel, Alkaline, Poppy, you know, Da Vinci, right there, so. Chanel, the list goes on. Enough people.
Questions.
Guys, questions.
Alright, me ask a question again, because I'm ask. If you were to travel the world, where would you go and why?
Hey, I'm hungry now. Oh, I'm not quite panic, sir. Yeah, I know I'm a dog, but sometimes I'm act like I'm a real dog, man.
Real dog, man.
Child, I can't bother with that for sometime. Oh, that Queen Sachel, big up yourself. When I shout out Deja, what is Deja? What is Deja?
Yeah.
Deja body? Deja body? I saw? May I pronounce it right? May I pronounce it right?
Shen official, big up yourself.
Shen official. Hey! What that? Queenie and Spally, I already shout out your sister name. I said people man just all in the life. The boy won't give me a break. Him just love me so. No man. No, sir. Man full of people, but not some man. Too much love one time. I can't take it.
Nicola Morrison said, when are you going to do the next kit video?
I don't know. Well, I have a look vlog something for post tomorrow. I'm sorry. Yeah, guys. Which old store? Who for old store? I don't want me to even live nowhere. Catch me a catch. But I live nowhere. But can't go to no old store with a catch me a catch.
Cool Bear J say a first time on your life, is it?
Hey, Cool Bear. I saw them enough time now. I saw the comments enough time.
London boy want to say, what part of Jamaica are you guys from?
Kingston, right there, sir.
Yeah.
We come from Kingston. We don't hear the accent because we hear some other accent, you know. We come from Kingston.
Shannon Percy, which app you use to edit?
We use iMovie to edit videos on iPhone. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And if you have Android, you can download InShot.
InShot or Power Director.
I don't know about that one, but InShot.
Yeah.
Right there, so. But so watch people, man. Hear people, man, in my life.
Julia Johnson, shout out to yourself, big up yourself, is it? Shout out, Abbi.
Yeah, Julia Johnson. Big up yourself, Julia Johnson. Right there, so. Okay, I know good girl. Remember,
Yes,
like up the
drama,
live
Abbi.
stream. Yeah, drama over here, so pure madness. When I know some madness, I have to deal with drama. Someone said a drop on this. All if you know I walk on buck on the two and drop on Abbi's madness, I pure drama on I guess.
Rosemary Morgan said, what's your favorite video on YouTube?
What my favorite video on YouTube?
Oh, on the YouTube channel, on your YouTube channel, sorry.
All of them are my
I'm
favorite.
telling my favorite now. Surgery with Sue.
Guys, I love the whole of my video them.
So guys,
I love the all of my video
if you're
them.
new, go to Abbi channel now and go watch Surgery with Sue. That's bad. That's my favorite still.
Shen official, big up your nice, clean, safe goods.
But you see Abbi no paid madness.
Yeah, for me, no say good girl, no say I be a madness. Good girl channel is all about extra drama madness.
You can't develop by yourself, man. You're lively, is it?
I feel lively. Got to lively. Remember I like up the live stream people. Rat you.
Same way yourself.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, guys. So, alright. Today I saw them. I need to ask you for the alright because COVID going real. COVID are going bad. COVID are going bad. I have to ask you for the alright. Wanna go? No, tell me if I'm knowing. I'm not a friend and so, you know. I'm not a friend and so. Come here, hold my ears. Alright. When you talk to me now, alright? People man gone now, alright? When you can't talk to me, you know, can't talk to me. Alright? Ashley Brown, why you smiling? Me ask if you alright, I smile. No, man. Where the comments them gone? When you say school, I'm mad, yes, myself, who actually I go to school now and at this time. I couldn't do it.
Taking education here.
No, sir. People man won't leave me alone.
Is
What
it?
time still there? What time in front of me? In front of me.
Make sure not take care of Abbi's madness people them. Take
Yeah.
care of a good man, is it? A good girl, man.
Yeah,
She
girl.
love talk about you, so.
I love talk about Uno. Somebody love my Abbi's madness people them.
So sure, and I love set speed, man. Anyway, cooking time, so I'm back in the kitchen now. So no later.
I think I dance with it. I think I dance with it. Good girl, come here, girl. Yeah, that's right. Keep come no man. Them want sing and dance the intro. I need the help. I kept help me build the intro too, you know. I'm a dirty brother and so, but me don't like him sometimes, you know. Him do there, do that, so I can class him. When I get my board, I class him in front of him face behind him back. Keep on there, keep on going cook for me. Hello, mad people. Yeah, right there. So this is Abbi right there. So who said that? Akila, what are you gone? As I forgot soon and name it gone. What that Queen Sachel? Big up yourself, Queen Sachel. Where is 7? 7 is right. I was 7 there. Him just there, so I swear. Devil. Watch him gone. Your videos are nice. Thank you, princess. No man, them comments are gone. Keep all the food people man cook for me, no people. People man cook for me. Right so, imagine them class me. And I'm some ugly and I'm this and my that, but guess what? Even though I'm ugly and I'm this and my that, I still have people man. When I say I'm blessed, I bless no blow. I bless Rachel. Imagine people man cook for me. And people man, you know, I'm supposed to die in my yard right now, you know, with film woman and so. But him decides I'm going to stay here, so. Yeah, and I'm going to cook for me. Yeah, girl. Right so. I want Anthony Ferguson. I bet you have a woman right beside of you. NASA. Yes, much people want to big up on themselves for full month, enjoy it while it lasts, because no COVID are going on and some of everybody else's birthday. Yeah, girl, right so. Alright. Yeah, if I have to come back right so. I say Anthony Ferguson, I want him name Anthony Ferguson, come out about him want to breed people. I bet him woman the right beside him. When some of them people are dirty, I bet him woman the right side of him. What is vibe with Imani? Big up yourself.
You want dinner, Abbi?
Huh?
I did dinner now.
So early? I don't want to dinner so early. I don't want them people that so me I eat. You know a good girl can attack and I eat and me choke.
So guys, today is Sunday, you know, Abbi said early feed food, you know.
Yeah.
Imagine that on a Sunday.
Me choke. Where is Sue? Sue away from for Kyla in our video.
Too busy with our boyfriend, yeah.
Yes, Sue lockdown. Right, sir.
Talk to the youth of me fast.
I'm a son. Yeah, but they want me dance to my intro.
Dance with them, man.
Sing it and dance. Come.
Ready, set, go.
Hello, mad people. This is Abbi. Like, subscribe, I got tell somebody. My love shake up my body. Else, someone want it?
Alright, guys, what
You walk a laugh till your skin poop a lick. Don't have Bellevue when you take sick. I just pure madness.
Rah!
Pure madness. Real madhouse.
See there? Live and direct from the capital. Let's
Right,
see.
that's how I'm a good girl taking our belly right so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, girl.
You see all who are watching right now? Make sure you like the video.
Yeah, she
Like,
and Abbi are the
subscribe,
same
and
person.
share. I walk out about dirty capo. Careful there.
Dirty boy when him cap.
Because you know about Abbi's channel madness channel.
You can't touch my mad people there. My mad people them firm and strong. Watch you.
I'll come get y'all.
Yeah, guys. So we're there. So we just done cooking now. We just the food done.
Capo just don't go here now.
Capo just. So why? You could give me a look. Why?
Don't come go on like you want to come take credit. When you never do nothing. You're there with talk to your people them and you forget to be in the kitchen all long. Don't it?
I tell you same enough. You say, me try one family up. Try what you get up right so.
Yeah.
Capo, I
Bum look holy, man.
Abbi a capo
You
this.
forgot trim now, I go on from my face. No, you forgot trim now. No, sir.
Watch out. Him don't leave me alone. I mean, I know it good and I saw and I for come back and I saw but. No, sir. I
Yes,
love me.
Anyway.
Let's shoot the camera.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so you wanna know? Welcome to my channel. It's my girlfriend. I don't know if you met her before, but introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, book, I miss.
Yeah. Yeah, it's my girlfriend, so just start YouTube. Is it Tiara? Abbi's madness your name.
Well, people at them time I eat. Now I'm gonna exercise first and then eat.
Boss lady and a Scorpio, she born November. Make dirty
I
cap
say,
on me.
yeah, man. If that's all over me ear about meals.
What is you guys TikTok? Abbi Atters.
Abbi Atters on my TikTok.
Yeah.
I even though I'm barely post my name, but I know a good girl I can get active, but Jesus Christ.
But why not active?
I don't know why now. I don't know.
Want another good food man for TikTok?
Yeah, guys, want another good phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so I'm asking a question like, how are you guys? Like, I know say someone who stress out in a boat. Me have to tell them this. I have to just push through. All the faith, a good guy stress out enough time and I right through. I'm trying. I'm just all the faith and pray. Prayer is a must. Gotta pray.
Are you guys doing the next video with Angel and Razor? I mean, man.
That is a must.
That is a must. That is a must, man.
Now 7 hours sleep. You man listen to what me I tell you. You
Kimisha Graham. Kimisha, look at me. Feel me Kimisha already, you know.
You mean Kimisha Graham?
Yeah. No, man. It
No,
wasn't like
Kimisha
that.
Graham.
I think I meet her already.
Oh, you bad so.
Yes,
Imagine
it.
you meet the people in man. I couple like no Kimisha Graham. Where?
How old is 7?
7 months.
I lie, you're still an old boy now. 7 born May.
No 7 months.
You born May.
Do the calculation.
Alright, March now, April. Bomba! 7 about,
7 months.
no, 10 months now.
I saw him all.
Cause me and my big birthday, you know,
I
remember?
don't know about him, my pitney.
That's what time I fly fast, man. Enjoy. Hope you
Well,
guys
enjoy
enjoy.
with Sunday. Who this? Shaniqua? What's it?
Shanika.
Shaniqua?
Yeah, my body tongue.
Fuck.
Moye kwa?
Hi, guys.
Can you give my sister a shout out, please?
I want them share madness.
Share, big up yourself.
When I share madness also.
You say it? Yeah, man. When I want to ask Abby now.
Blood? Hey, you're just there, so eat, no, sir.
You are the movie, you are the whole deal. I love your vibes.
Thank you. What's your name, Barbie?
Sinclair.
Thank you. Yeah, good girl, share for entertainment.
Do you guys watch King and Shay? Of course.
Guys, we watch everybody.
We watch you all of them.
I mean, we don't watch
Most of
all
them,
them.
most
We watch
of them.
but not all
Yeah.
of them. Last time I
We
watched
love some of
everybody.
them, but we don't watch. You know, watch most of them. Who watch them. It's funny. Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, people, make sure I like up the live stream, guys. I say, on dep on this, I make history with good girl. A good girl first time I go on live.
Abby, teach me if you do makeup.
I actually
Smiley
have
face.
I have a makeup tutorial on the page. Abbi's madness one.
Yeah.
And this man, I talk to one of my friends, I share them. I say, good, I watch a video. I'm gonna follow what about eyebrow. Yeah, Jody. Yeah, I should actually improve on her eyebrow. Cause she listen to what I say.
Let her go on.
I so like when people listen. Oh, never.
Let me go follow on TikTok, you know. Yeah, man, follow Abby TikTok right now. Abby Attaz.
Yeah.
If I change it to I2, you know, so we change it to. But yeah, people in the comment section, link up climb deeper. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, have to support the thing.
Get the dog thing up and running, man. Is it? Always in the comment section. Pooh Bear and Jay.
Pooh Bear, yeah, I know them near
Yeah,
Pooh Bear and
yeah.
Jay. I want to big up on a nice, clean save.
Yeah,
And some like one on the active, you know, because one time on the active, we remember on the name. And we just call out on the name easy, so.
Dania, Henry, thank you very much.
I lie. Well, I don't believe you. You have to lie.
I believe you.
Man.
Come on, Abby, I can't be funny. You know,
I mean, we don't funny. I saw it. I didn't even share with a friend there.
Is it?
No, sir. We don't enjoy the fun alone. Share with the friends and family.
Wow, I'm a Jamaicans in the room for cut some word up in the man. Wow.
Wow.
Yo.
Who it is? Natalie, hey.
Madness.
Madness, right, you.
Team Abby all day.
Yeah, the pranks. How would that?
Somebody at the house. I swear I somebody a while ago and the person gone. Wait, there are one. No, the live I trick me, man.
Yeah, guys, like up the live stream, I must cap a live. I say people, I want my cheering from the dirty boy, watch him. Right there, so beside me.
Let go.
No, sir.
How about them want dinner?
They do another part. Oh, I'm gonna share shack food. Shack, are you ready for dinner? Go and go share shack food, yeah, man. Get rid of you. Inch alone, let me say I'm inch alone, make a subscribe on to everything.
The inch makes you sub, and then we do the start now. She said, Bomba, more subscribe 2 more times.
Oh, for true? Talk
Yeah.
to me and Rosemary. I'm Rosemary.
Hey, guys, you know Abby channel like man this thing on YouTube right now.
Thanks,
No joke.
Kimberly, pick up yourself. What is it?
Why I was doing big food, Abby? Watch the second video. Mash her up.
Me don't know. You know, say good girl lucky answer. Good girl is lucky, right, show. Yeah, guys, ask up on the questions. Ask up on questions. Right, sir. Oh, all right, Rosemary, I got you. You know, because sometimes good girl can't really comprehend, you know. So good girl for ask, why the man move so fast? Watch ya. Anthony Ferguson go find a wife. Yeah, the pan is a yourself pure problem. Yeah, I see people man be said, I think I'm gone. I didn't even realize the boy gone. Ow! I love for the two. I love I'm happy about these people. I love for the right too. Guys, I went to the Queen's school, and I went to Excel say hi. Yeah, I got Excel and them nearly beat me. When I watch the video, when I need to watch my video them. When I watch my video them, it answers most of the questions. Yeah. When I need to watch good girl video them. Hey, Seven, I'm laughing. Right, so what? It's a girl. What did it got? It's a girl, Tia, yeah, girl. Yeah, people make sure to turn on notification bell and a good girl. I go post a logo. I look a vlog tomorrow on the channel, right, sir? I post a local vlog. Yeah, I'm somebody that got edited today and I post it. Oh, guess what? Never get for army too late now. So good girl, so make sure you just jump on live and create history and look here. We not create history with good girl. No, tap on shoulder, right, sir. No, sir. Ligani, you live? No, I don't live at Ligani. I'm not telling her where I live. But I live in Kingston somewhere. I'm not telling her. We don't want to tell her. No, we're not telling her. We don't have somebody I watch my life who walk in me. Flex Rich. Asa? Flex Rich and Tashe. Tashe, I call your name right? Come I can't really spell it now, I have to understand. Sometimes I can't spell and every time. Watch the comment gone. People, what I want to do is stop calling baby upon good girl. Good girl don't even pick me yet. Good girl don't even pick me. Only some of black and hungry, sir. I can't take care of pitney. Why am I bring pitney in this world? I don't know when I'm gonna have no child. Yeah. Right now, I have my little son named Sevu. Right, sir. Every minute I come bring no pin for me, I saw my fat stay bad. When I have pin now, I saw my belly just gone out, I saw everything about me I go wrong up. No, sir. What may I do after this? May I eat after this? Yeah, God, I'm supposed to, then again, I'm supposed to exercise first, then I eat my food. But you may talk to you, no? I say Julia Johnson. I'm afraid of look vaccine. I don't know if I take that. No, I don't know. Come here, say pay things are going with them vaccine. Why am I love take people, man? No, somebody answer the person in the comment section. Them name God. Answer the person. I answer them why I'm a good girl love take people, man. Talk truth. I just want somebody comment why I love take people, man. Just comment in the comment section. When you comment in the comment section, I'm going to pick up on the name answer. Somebody asks why I love take people, man. Nobody know why I love take people, man. Come now. Tell me why I love take people, man. No, man, watch ya. No, man, you don't watch me then. You don't watch time. I say why I love take people, man. Because people, man, nice and cover. Not you, it's a girl, Tia. No, girl. Say, my bad. My son nearly give me a heart attack. Because people, man, nice and comfortable, right, so. Because people, man, nice. Yeah. I want a person that will ask you, people, man, nice, right, so. That's why. Guys, remember I like up the live. I'm not create history with my pandas. I'm happy. How can females be safe in the street? I don't know, you have to just watch yourself, yeah, man. If you want to be safe in the street, watch yourself. Don't go nowhere by yourself as a female. Because, guys, when I travel up on the road, you know, I don't travel by myself. If you want to see Abbi, I want to see Capo. truth. Rashim coming in. I catch on my ear. You know somebody have one piece and we call it braid. I'm just pop off the braid and the makeup you more take off from my face right now. Yes, Tia, you love the foolishness too much. But I like it because good girl love foolishness too. Yeah. Right so. Yeah, guys, but I actually, you need to follow me on Instagram and Abbi Atters. People, good girl took some pictures today. No, sir. Good girl take some nice picture to the people. Today, I look like one pot of gold. I look like a pot of gold today. I'm saying, no, sir. I fix up to the people. You know, a long good girl I fix up and fling a picture on the gram. I did that today. Well, the picture no post yet. But, how is this? No, sir. I hope I not ever hear this in a month now. Oh, Jesus. Where the comments them gone? Wanna stop calling baby upon me? I'm not ready for the pitney. Eyebrow the pan fleek. Them eyebrow the pan fleek. Them even do good. But me I try my best in the eyebrow the weakest part for me, but I still I try. How many sisters I have? Well, for my mother's side, I have 2 sisters. I don't know about my father's side, because my father old. Right true. I don't even know nothing about the man. I don't know nothing about my father. When I see me, I don't look at skits them for Abbi's madness. That's why I'm for Abbi's madness. For sure, my skits, what do you know? Yeah, for sure, the madness. Them comments are move fast. People barely so no comments, you know? The skits them coming. When you think it easy for those skits, it's hard. So that's why when good girl post more to not share good girl. Because it's hard for the skits them, especially the editing process, people. It's hard. Don't think it's easy. It's very complicated. But good girl love it. So that's why she's willing to do it for you. Yes, Rashim, my skits them supposed to kill on half. Cause pure madness in there. I would just ask about favorite position. What you mean? Fuck y'all laugh. What's sweet your body boy? Y'all laugh. Oh, the other Moody. Why not ask about favorite position? Don't leave me alone. I'm not in a workplace. I'm not in a favorite position. Leave me alone. I'm too rude. Come here, people ask up, but stop asking me rude questions. Oh, no, rude, sir. People may not know about born a pitney, you know. I don't know if I really want to pit right about now. But if I was to really take my mind forget pitney, maybe more than 2, a girl and a boy. Yeah, boss position, right through. Who said that? Yeah, we was married. Boss position is my favorite position. Right there, so. I can't know when I get married, Chupsy Vlogs. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, I'm supposed to watch the skits them enough time and give good girl local views. When you need to help good girl and you need to share good girl, stop taking all of the laughing for yourself. Share me with the friends and family. When you know what, sit down and laugh together. You know what, sit down and laugh together. Hey, the people out there come on the live with them nastiness. I say, oh, come on live with the nastiness. I officially should just like up the live. If I just join, like up the live, guys. If I just join and like up the live. Rebecca Lewis, you see me with food? I don't have no food. The people in Manga left me. Right there, so. When you do that time, no prank pan here, so Kepa is watching. Even though I'm not there, I saw the dirty boy having fun them and I watch. Yeah. I can't know a team, I'll be right through. When I ask her the question, hey, I first good girl come for 11, and I want to make it we call it a Sunday thing, but I don't know about that. So when I ask the questions, they want to be one ask good girl. Yeah, come on now about the Q&A video. I can just answer the question right as so. Right as so. Watch good titty. No one of the people in man want to live. I love you gap them. I so much gap. I want to get my ab. I want to get my ab. I want to get my ab. Thanks God, people. Somebody class me over there. Somebody for go find my teeth, you know. No talk truth. Them don't know cyber and this. Them most young. I swear them half young. The person somebody for go find my gap. No, find my teeth. The comments now alone. I am 24 years old, guys. Good girl at 24. My sister gonna foreign. Yeah, she gonna foreign, right, Joe? Kimberly, I love good girl. I love you too, girl. I love you too. I can't invite her over here because I don't live nowhere. I catch. I'm born November 17th, Scorpio Queen. Right? So, you know watch my video them now. You need to watch my video them, you know. Because I can't ask questions when I'm supposed to answer the question. Like Jesus. I answer the question in enough video. Dirty people, man. People might live there alone watching for the live. No, sir. I went there. I'm saying people might want to live there alone. No, sir. People, man. If you hear me say, hey. People, man. You might act like same not the name, but boy, the name I watch. But don't ready for eat my food yet. Got the camera come off of my life. When the can't run him, everywhere good girl them come. I say the people that Robert been stuck to him. Him won't come out of the comment section. No, sir. The boy won't leave me alone. Keep me shagway and what sweet you. He didn't run out the boy to the lab, but he run out the boy, man. Watch out the comment section. Never got guys, me a straight for so no comments. Yes, but full of drama. I don't know. This is my personality. Upon this, guys, this is my personality. So for people that move up on join channel and see the madness, you know them come and judge when really actually them not understand the madness. This is actually my madness. You know, some people say I'm too mad and them can't bother with me, but I just life, you know. I like Rebecca Louis. You're married as a girl. No, but you things, girl. You're married as a woman can never tell me. You pick up your husband for me. Husband, eh? You put a ring on Rebecca. No. Officialness, yeah, good girl now go and good girl went in with herself. Good girl went in with herself. Guys, for any prank ideas or nothing, like inbox good girl prank, DM me, Abbi Attaz, ABBIHOTTAZ. Yeah, message me on Instagram. If you don't need to message me, that's me can go check it fast because in the full, I can't check everything one time. Thank you, Susan Brown. Good girl try look like a hot girl on Instagram, you know. Cause you know good girl if try look like a hot girl and so. Even though me I get fat, but me I slim down. Me I try slim down, you know, cause me I exercise. Me I exercise. Hey, my time I done. By me I wanna see me slim. Because good girl I slim down. Yeah, guys. So any prank ideas when I have, just text me on Instagram. Abbi Attaz. Oh, my name spell again. ABBIHOTTAZ. Right there. Dirty Campus TV, can you pin my Instagram name for me, please? If you're still a listen. Rebecca now put no ring for no man, and a man have to propose to Rebecca. How will you say that? When they Tyrese, a man got up on here and propose to Rebecca. I don't know where people man gone. Him good like I don't eat. Can be that him do, you know. Him hide him food and I eat. Yeah. Those people, man, I'm call him up here, so. Thank you, Rosemary. So Rosemary posted there at Abbi Attas. Yeah, guys, that's my Instagram name. Abbi Attas. Thank you, Rosemary. Yeah, make him know, Rebecca, the boy bright. Boy, you propose to man. Don't be a me, because that's something with me that do. Me say, yeah, man.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but I'm hungry now. Where you do? I'm trying to put them out just and talk to people and talk to me. Food I get cold and pot, you know.
I was not doing anything. What you turn on the ring light, Palmer say?
Yeah, better so.
It a glow me, man.
That's way, man.
No, man, too glowing, man. What the people them some natural looking, oh, watch that.
That's it, right?
Oh yeah, guys, so people, man, yeah. Right or so. Keep on lock it down now, me know when we turn it on. But people them some natural self.
That better though.
Yeah, we not some natural self, though. Tell them
What
some.
I ask is that if you know how to eat food now.
Eh?
Eat some food now.
But never did do nothing in the last part. Leave me alone. When them say I like you, what? What is that? What is that? I wanna like? Yes, the boy, I'm telling you, the boy won't leave me alone. Watch ya. Watch it up on. Watch it.
Want food now, we need a dinner.
Someone
can ask you.
can eat the food.
You know how it is, I think that's all the time.
Yeah, but don't you say I'm talking to my mad people,
Talk again.
Don't you say I'm talking to my mad people,
Hey, me can hear price just, you know?
Yeah. But the boy won't leave me alone.
Me can eat the food now. Eat some food now.
My youth. Why you turn on the ring light? Lock up the ring light.
Give you a buzz.
It don't give me no buzz.
Alright. Let me show you what I got now.
This is my true self.
Oh, not too bad.
This is my true self.
Say anything about the food.
You're hungry, people, man, now. People, man, are hungry.
I'm going to share the food and I'll eat the food now.
Me don't want to talk and I eat.
Alright, then me talk and you eat the food.
Yeah,
And then me eat the food and you talk.
No, you eat the food and I can come sit down, yes, sir.
So you know my food now?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Damn, girl.
But say people, man, just all over good girls, so.
I know, star.
What's your way you going so far, far? Them can't see you.
They must see my man. You want to play them here now?
Sorry. Why them say you're past teeth? What them say?
Space teeth, them want to say.
A space teeth you not try say?
Is it?
Maybe on the phone I do spell something there. Yeah, guys, like up the live. Yeah, girl, right there, so. What's say keep on enough right you? Watch him.
Wow,
Let's say Abbi and keep on with that pan.
You know think, man. If you check in for the mad people, you know me I say.
Yeah, guys, like up the live for those who just joining in. I saw English girl.
Joining in.
Joining in.
For those who's
Look like idiot.
for those who just joined. That's it. I've been not joining in.
Joining in. That's all for staying at school.
Yeah, man.
Don't be a Abbi.
Stay in a school, youth. Don't play. Yeah,
Stay in a school. Taking your education.
Don't see me song.
We say people get so keep on turn artist soon.
Hey, yo.
Keep on turn artist soon, me.
I like here. Don't follow me. I'm at them be money shit up.
People better turn artist for me in a talk tune. Don't let him left me soon. Him not gonna start have one baga woman.
Don't follow me.
No, sir.
Yeah, man. So, guys, we don't want to talk about again. Talk to me. I mean,
Are you alive?
somebody
Yes,
say,
sir.
for those who are joining in.
Keep a trim.
Trim, man. I'm a Rasta man, brother.
I'm saying for trim.
I'm not gonna barber, hear that? Ah, boy.
I'm not teacher teach you English yet.
Capo, you now put on the ring.
I will trigger what I put on.
I don't know which one matter.
Yeah, guys. So we're there, so. Wanna eat already, though? Tell me son to eat already, you know, because I don't want another for my life and I eat.
Yeah, man. Abbi, I propose to me first.
Any day, people, Abbi's madness people, no come so. Any day, when it's a good girl, go down for fair knees and propose to man, on the bring me to Bellevue. Because I'm most extra mad. Bring me right there, so. Because I'm most extra mad. There's nowhere me, good girl, I can go for my good knee and propose to no boy. When I forgot bring me to Bellevue, same time. Right there, so.
Bombat. You're pinning back a while ago, no, sir?
When you come up on my life, I come couple up yourself in front of the people left for.
Aye. Me eat long time. Much your body didn't already tell
Everybody
you.
eat a long time. I don't know how me eat late at night. Because I'm telling you, this, one time I eat early, hungry, lick my body 7 o'clock them time there.
Agreed.
I'm not greedy. But
But
me
if
I
you eat
try to
early
change
at
my
night
belly,
time,
you know, me I
eat
try to
early,
change my
and
belly.
at night we can snack and go to bed.
Yo, move, you see, snack in there, man. Team, I've been right through shade madness. Right as so.
That's it. People, come and some challenge you can do.
Tiago, I gotta eat the food. Girl, you can eat the food that I watch. Yeah, make sure to eat that full in the belly. You know.
Can you do a video treat in your hair? Oh, me or Abbi? Because I know me have good hair and thing in it, you know? Probably me not tap, you know?
Me? For the video treat my hair, I never did tell them the remedy for my ear growth.
What remedy?
I tell them, I like, if I not tell them, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video of it. Yeah, but you know, I only know say it have to be madness. Because I can't make normal video. I'm too mad for that. I say Africa was madness. I'm just there, so fly, Gwenna.
I'm bored. I think you don't have her for yourself alone.
People, man, just all over good girl. No, sir. It won't give me a break.
She not come eat her dinner, guys. So.
I said you should go eat.
No. I upon you.
People show off and act like say my things. You see, if never the pie life, I'm gonna go eat him food, leave me. Oh, the bachelor.
Bachelor? In the plug-in?
Are you me for plug in the things then?
Oh, see plug-in, you know?
Say I really never plug in something?
The plug-in, man, just the drop out.
Yo, move from front of me. They say look a bit of bad man. People never plug in the phone now.
The plug-in, man.
Phone job.
It's just the drop out there, so it's that.
No, sir. So anyways, people want to go on. Make sure if you not just join the live, you know, like up the live stream and like it up. Because we not create history with Good Girl. This is Good Girl first time and Abbi's Madness live.
And who?
And Abbi's Madness going live.
Wow.
That's all? Yeah. Like up the live stream, people. I want some dirty boy when I'm capo. We don't know, I'm just there. So, bueno.
Do 1 minute 5 crackers challenge without water. And so eat crackers for the raise of them. I'll mash them up.
People, none of them feel like they kill me.
That did at in the man.
I mean, all the time, me terrorists, all the time, I can plug capo with some silver spark. That's all the time, that terrorists make someone kill me.
You still gonna make them kill?
Eh?
Yeah, easy. 89. What that tab? What that tab?
What that about?
Alright, terrorists. And people, remember to sell stuff, you know, if you want in the ring light.
Oh, yes, guys. But them so done unlimited stocks, we have, you know. Guys, remember we have our business page, Shop AC Gang, so they can go fast over there and see what one like over there and grab it. Shop AC Gang. Yeah, because we are business people too, you know, yeah. Yeah, that's why some time we can't even post video too, because we're busy.
Yeah.
We're busy sometimes.
Yo, while I go my seminar, you do Abbi, but guys, I'm going to eat my food now. Abbi stress me out. So Abbi, I eat look at my food and tonight we do reading now.
Then again, I still come over here, you know, without wait for 1 hour. We call it.
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour live, you do.
1 hour that?
Yeah.
But I know somebody need to go back to school.
It'll be 1 hour next.
So I look like, hey, I'm not going to say 51, 59 seconds, I swear, no. No, I swear.
Almost 1 hour. So a couple seconds left now.
Almost an hour, guys. So, guys, night I come down and Good Girl, you know, I'm going to eat my food and people man wait for me. So I think I'm going to eat my food, you know. I eat my food. I can't eat and talk to, you know. You know, this was my first time going live. I appreciate the people who actually come on the live.
Yay!
Thank you for making history, Good Girl. Thank you. We love you, right, so. Yeah, people love my mad people them.
Real talk.
But I'm gonna rat through, guys. Yeah, so the people them man want me come eat with him. Yeah, so I think I'm about to do that. So guys, thank you for joining in on the live. As I say, I'm gonna make this. I try to come on live every Sunday. When I want to come on live every Sunday, though. I just want to know if I'm know that's my prepare. My write on my schedule. I saw my son like business on my door.
Right there, so.
Right this. Right that's a she.
What the fuck?
Right that's a she. Yeah, guys. So I want to come by live every Sunday. Tell me if I'm know, you know.
Rebecca, I love it too, yeah.
Rebecca, I love it too, girl. What's that call your wife? Yeah, I'm here to so but I love the wife then. Because the wife let me a husband. Right there, so yeah, when I want to come on live Sunday, every Sunday. Good girl, I go try and make it happen.
Every Sunday, I see Abbi on her live. I'm not there
Every
next week, I know I have everything good. Everything good.
Every Sunday. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to come off for the live now. People man want to come eat with him. Right there, so right there, so she. Right there, so him.
What the hell is this right there, so you man sheep thing on that table?
Alright, guys, I
Big up
think
on
this is
yourself.
the end. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Pooh Bear and Jay, big up yourself. Kayla, big up yourself. What kind of comments they want to go? Terry, big up yourself. Rebecca, big up yourself. Watch out. Guys, keep on plugging the phone in every minute the phone are dead.
You got the charge on a good man.
So, bye guys. Good girl come out. Good girl come out. Good girl come out. But guess what, guys? We don't know if in the live, yeah. We don't know if in the live.
Good thing you come off for look like the charge on our work.
Oh, you in the live, yeah. People, me don't know if in the live, you know. I swear, me don't know if in the live. Oh, you in the live, couple.
Exit off, man.
I exit off.
So guys, see you guys in the next video.
Sunday again, they come by live, but tomorrow me I post. So make sure to turn on the notification bell, alright?
Yeah, turn it on.
Alright, Rosemary, big up yourself.
Select all.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner. I don't want to get step up on people man want me right now.
Look at more people. We're out there, outside.
Oh, Jesus. Couple, I still don't know if in the live.
Right there, so.
In the live.